Well, I think that went well.
Yep.
Okay.
One take.
Whoa.
Oh, should I say it back now?
No, you're fine. My
Oh.
my credit card was just thinking I was trying to like buy
That was me
something.
all the time.
Whoops. Yeah, that was like the best high five.
I know.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing, as you can tell by the title, a Get Lit With Us video. Today, we're gonna be drinking some wine, doing our makeup, and of course I have a very special guest,
Hi.
Miss Chanel. You wanna say hi to the people?
Hi, I'm Chanel. Wearing Chanel right now.
She is. She put on this Chanel perfume and it smells so good. Oh my goodness. It's not necessarily going to be a full out tutorial, like step by step on what we're doing for our makeup, but you can definitely follow along. I would recommend either grabbing a snack to sit down and watch this video because it's going to be kind of longer, or if you want to like play this while you're doing your own makeup, so it's like we're all kind of getting ready together, that would be really fun too. If you guys would like to get lit with us and get ready with us, then just keep watching. Okay, mine's way fuller than yours.
I'm trying to go to where yours is.
This evening I am drinking a Merlot. And
Drinking just Moscato.
Moscato. There's to
Makeup.
makeup.
Really good.
Really good. In this video we are doing just, you know, you're getting lit with us. You're getting ready. So we may not always explain what we're doing, but you can sure follow along. I'm my eyes with my Laura Mercier concealer. As you can see, we already did our brows, so I feel like that was kind of boring. So we just felt like we should do that ahead of time.
Oh, off camera.
Off camera. Correct, Chanel. Chanel with the YouTube lingo. Okay.
Oh, I would mean that like off camera. I didn't know that was a lingo.
Chanel, is this your YouTube debut? Have you ever been on the tube before?
No, I haven't.
I don't think anyone calls it that, so don't ever repeat that, okay?
I think it's my usual eye look. I'm very boring.
I'm using the Morphe 9C palette. Okay? We love a warm toned hoe.
Prime my face, not prime my eyes.
Still priming. Honestly, this is so bad, but like lately I've been foregoing primer.
Like,
I
not
feel like
using
it's,
it?
yeah, I feel like it's kind of like a lie.
Have you ever tried the Hourglass primer?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
Should I try it?
That's my I swear by it.
Well, if you want to do Secret Santa.
Of course.
I'm just kidding. It's
$70
already a
primer.
secret. Tell the people your tips, you know? Let them know. Let it be known.
So, I was blessed with small eyes. So I try to make them bigger by going further out. Just like,
With your shadow?
yeah, my shadow. And eyeliner too, I can wing it.
Really?
Yes. So,
She loves a good winged liner. You love a winged
gosh.
queen. Yeah, I don't know if it's just because wings are not my strong suit. Like, I will recognize that, but like, really, I can do like an eyeshadow wing. Ah!
What is
Oh my god, it's a bug! Oh my god.
stink bug?
Yes, he's like flying. Okay, we have to kill him.
If you kill them the wrong way, they'll trap other stink bugs.
What? What's the right way?
You have to like grab them with like a towel or
Oh
something.
my
or, like,
god, this
a
guy's
big
gotta
like
go.
napkin.
That's huge. It's huge.
Mhm.
Okay. Rest in peace. Say a prayer. Okay, back to scheduled programming.
Schedule.
Do you remember in our chemistry class when that bug like flew at me
And you like freaked out.
and I was like
Wasn't
screaming?
that freshman year?
Yes, and like
I forgot
this.
about that.
Our professor, we were in like a 300-person lecture hall, and our professor was like literally stopped talking and she was like, "Are you okay?" Do you remember
Oh
that?
yes. I've seen people like around East Lansing just like taking berries off trees and eating them. But like I've seen like more than one
Like
person do it.
students?
They're usually like older people, but still it's like usually like on campus.
Random older people just.
like on campus. I couldn't.
That's
like,
so strange.
And like I kind of want to like stop them and just say like that might not be the safest
Hey,
thing.
like, don't do that.
But you know, teach its own. What do I know about
Right.
berries in the trees?
Okay, so we're really going for the smoke apparently. I didn't
Oh.
know this was a situation.
Are you smoking it?
It's, yeah, look.
And then to open my eyes even more, I like do like white on my lids, like as a base.
Yeah. And it helps like the pigment too, or no?
Definitely pigment, but also it's like my eyes are like I think hooded.
Okay.
So it helps with the eyeshadow to make it look like I have like eyelids.
And it like distributes it evenly too, probably.
Yeah.
Give this little thing a go. This hourglass pre-made.
It's white.
Okay.
And then
that's
just
enough,
put it
right?
everywhere.
That's
yeah,
fine.
I do like that much. And then you just put it on everywhere. No.
I'm just kidding.
Not there.
I'm just kidding.
Actually, it's waterproof, so who knows?
Wow, I'm really hungry.
So feel kind of like repercussions.
The repercussions. I need to start getting more lit.
I know.
Yeah. Going with my concealer to conceal my eyes.
When I got ready, I think like 2 days ago, I forgot to put on primer. It was missing from me the whole. Like I knew it was missing, but it was just like the feeling of knowing it was missing and not having it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, wow, I can live my full potential, you know. I had the chance and I blew my shot.
It's so irritating. I used to do that in high school a lot. Like I would forget one thing of my makeup routine. I think it's because I wore makeup like literally every day to high school. And like if I would be like in the car on the way, and I used to ride with a friend, so like it wasn't like I could like go back.
Oh. So
yeah.
you do it in the car?
So no, like I would just literally like forget to put mascara on or like.
It's a staple thing. I feel like mascara.
I know. Is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer? Smell it.
Like butter. Or cocoa butter.
Like, yeah, it's really, really nice. I was gonna do like a cream contour, but I'm just not feeling all that right now.
I actually like do cream and powder.
I know, I usually do both, but for some
Not
reason
today.
I'm not feeling horny for that, so.
So just bronzer.
Just the bronzer will do. We have not made it through an entire glass of wine.
know.
You've been so focused. You've been like die-hard focused.
Of course I am.
Take a little chip.
You're gonna notice if it's your makeup from using the primer. I promise you.
Really?
I promise you.
Take a little wine. I'm not buying any drinks at the bar tonight.
I'm gonna try not to.
I'm not going to. I'm just gonna dance like a little hoe.
Yeah, that's when you bought the most expensive drink I think I've ever seen someone buy in my life.
Me?
Yeah, I remember you bought the
I don't like drinking well drinks. Do you like drinking well drinks?
I mean, what's a well drink? Because that just
Like if you say like, oh, I want like a vodka crayon or like a gin and tonic, they usually just give you like the shitty thing, and that's why it costs $5 because it's like I'm gonna spray a little action.
What is that?
Rose water spray. I just feel like this is so necessary. Like it really makes those powder products like melt into your skin, you know? Everything just like comes together. Like it's an intentional orgasm for your face. Okay, honestly, we should tell them the story of like us meeting. Honest to God, I really was just like in love with her. Like I would see her everywhere I went. My freshman year, we both lived in Brody.
Same class.
Yeah, and we did have the same class together, that chemistry class.
Were you like freaked out about?
Yes, and I just had like the biggest girl crush on you. Like I was like, oh my gosh, her makeup is amazing. Like
your makeup was really good too. I still is, but like
thank you.
You both were really
For the
into makeup.
times.
Yeah.
For the times, like
Being like 3-4 years ago.
yeah.
People wore makeup every day.
No, it was like we were really the only people who were like having like a season 10 beat face on, you know, like walking around, and like I feel like I don't know, we really bonded over that because wasn't I standing behind you in line
for the
pasta?
Yeah, yes.
At Brody Calf, and I was like, oh my gosh, I think I say something to you? I said, hey,
So
I really
my
liked your
contour.
makeup.
I think your contour actually.
You have really good contour.
Makeup, but like
your contour looks so good. And then ever since then, we just became friends.
I'm like in the middle of baking.
Baking it
They're
up.
like, I'm outside.
Go around one more time around the circle. Thank you.
You're gonna wait outside.
Otherwise, this date is canceled. It's like happening, but I'm about to bring it there for you all.
Powder over my
I'm starting to feel a little tipsy.
Same. Pizza.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm gonna put chocolate diamond under my eye. If anyone's even like paying attention to what I'm doing anymore. Isn't Chanel just so beautiful, you guys? She's like,
so are you.
Oh, I miss Brody times.
I know.
Wasn't that like really fun? I know, like just having the calf and like we would talk about like our week and our classes and boys.
Yeah, I feel like Mondays we would eat in the calf because Mondays
because they had Alfredo.
Yes. Oh yeah, that's why. Okay.
Okay, I'm not even kidding. Like this is actually difficult, so I'm a little concerned to put my lashes on.
I was like for eyeliner. I was like, I'm like,
fuck me right. I feel like I'm leaning so far down here, so if this is weird to you, I'm so sorry because I've been doing it for the whole video.
like hunchback.
Yeah, I've literally been like leaning over at my mirror over here, like just in my own little world. Instead of like you're holding yours up, like I feel like I should be doing that, but you know, I'm just being insubordinate. Oh, if there's a daddy out there that wants to correct an insubordinate girl, call me. Okay, let's do oh, you know what? I didn't bring mascara. That's the one thing I didn't bring.
Oh, I have mascara.
Can I borrow some?
This one's better than this one. Actually, no, this one's the best because this is like really black. It's matte.
The blackest.
Messing up is
this
not
is like
an option
actually
today.
scary. Is that Lovejoy?
How did you know?
Because I have that same blush.
That is so funny.
It's like one of my favorites from them. Okay, this is honestly getting progressively harder.
Oh.
Disappointing.
What the hell?
Whoa, so much came out. That's why I started using this one, because look, you just untwist it, and honestly this one's a little bit stickier.
Can I borrow that one?
Yeah, look, you just like paint it on. Looks beautiful. This lash is made for you, Chanel. Like I'm telling you, I've been so spoiled because I was in like Miami last weekend, or Fort Lauderdale.
How was that?
It was so nice, but I've been drinking like coconut mojitos out the ass. And like we don't even make those here. It's so sad because I love them so much. They put actual like toasted coconut in, and like a mojito has like rum and like it literally tastes so good. And so like here, like our drinks are just so basic, so I usually just go for like Crown and Coke.
Yeah.
Because here we go. I'm so close to being done, but I'm so terrified that I'm gonna ruin this.
Me too. I think I'm like gonna put some. Wait, is that right saying the picture?
So I'm either gonna wear this like nude dress. It's got kind of like a sparkle to it, short spaghetti strap, like sweetheart neckline. Or I have a white like skirt and top combo, you know?
Ooh.
That could be the vibe, right?
At the Laura Mercier.
Yes, it's like, it's just such a pretty like sheen. Cause you know, sometimes when you highlight like your decolletage, like it's like too much. Oh yeah.
I can't see it, but I believe.
Season 20.
What's the? Oh, we have 10 and 20.
Chanel, this is like, oh my god, you need to be like rolling around in this.
What's up with you rolling around in glitter?
I don't know, but look at it.
I actually cannot see it.
Chanel, you can't tell this situation. Look at the viewfinder, like you're like glowing, like little radiant, like the most radiant one of all. The color is so pretty.
If you have oily skin,
tell them what's up.
Waterproof setting powder is the way to go, and Urban Decay's all-nighter. Oh my gosh.
My neighbors are so scared.
Is that your door?
No, it's my
Oh, okay. Oh, good.
They get really crazy.
It's like that. What do you mean?
Why are they moving so loud? Clearly we're conducting business.
Okay. I'm gonna do my hair off camera.
Me too. Alright guys. We are gonna go get dressed, put our outfits on, and we will be back to show you the finished look with our hair and everything all done. Yeah? Cheers!
Yeah. Oh.
Alright guys, so that wraps up this Get Lit With Us video. I am lit.
I am lit too.
We are both lit. We've been drinking our wine. Honestly, I have probably like a glass and a half left, so.
Yes, I'm ahead of you, so.
That's a thing. If you guys enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more content from me, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!